Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own pre-workout. Crafting your own pre-workout offers incredible advantages, allowing you to tailor ingredients precisely to your body's needs. This personalized approach means you can avoid unnecessary fillers and artificial additives often found in commercial products. Plus, it's a fantastic way to save money, as buying bulk ingredients is typically more cost-effective than purchasing ready-made blends. You gain full control over what fuels your workouts. Let's dive into some key ingredients. Caffeine is excellent for energy and focus, with typical doses between 100 and 200 milligrams. Creatine monohydrate is crucial for strength and power, usually taken in 3 to 5 gram doses. Beta-alanine helps reduce muscle fatigue, commonly used in 2 to 5 gram servings. Finally, L-citrulline improves blood flow and muscle pumps, with effective doses around 6 to 8 grams. When preparing your custom blend, always start with low doses of each ingredient and gradually increase them to assess your tolerance. This helps prevent any adverse reactions. Thoroughly mix your chosen powders with water or juice until fully dissolved. For optimal absorption and effect, consume your homemade pre-workout 20 to 30 minutes before you begin your exercise session. Consistency in preparation is key. Always prioritize safety. Consult a doctor or healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Remember, your pre-workout should evolve with you. Adjust ingredients and dosages based on your specific workout goals, whether it's endurance, strength, or muscle growth. Experiment to find what works best for your body. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.